In today's video, I'll show you how to buy an eSIM through Agoda so you can stay connected during your travels quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Agoda website, or open the Agoda app on your smartphone. Log into your account. If you don't have one yet, create a new account. It only takes a few minutes. Next, navigate to the eSIM section. This may appear as a dedicated tab or under categories like Travel Essentials or Connectivity. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type eSIM to go directly to the available options. Browse through the plans and select the one that fits your travel needs. Consider your destination, the length of your trip, and how much data you'll need. Agoda clearly lists the coverage and data limits for each plan, so review the details carefully before making a choice. Once you've picked a plan, proceed to checkout and complete your purchase. Double-check the plan details and payment information before confirming. After purchase, you'll receive a QR code via email or on the Agoda platform. This is your eSIM. To install it, simply scan the QR code with your smartphone following the instructions provided. Make sure your device supports eSIM technology beforehand. And that's it. You've successfully purchased and set up an eSIM via Agoda, making sure you stay connected throughout your trip. Thanks for watching and happy travels.